In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix a microphone that's not working on Slack. It's a common issue that can occur due to permission settings or device selection, and it can be incredibly frustrating, especially during important meetings or calls. Fortunately, it's a problem that can usually be resolved in just a few minutes. Let me guide you through the steps to get your microphone up and running smoothly. First, you'll want to start by opening your device's settings. This is where you can manage a variety of crucial aspects of your device. So take a moment to familiarize yourself with this section if you haven't already. Once you're in Settings, navigate to the Privacy and Security section. This area is essential for controlling which applications can access different features on your device, including the microphone. Now, under the Apps section, you need to make sure that Slack has the necessary permissions to use your microphone. If Slack doesn't have this access, it won't be able to transmit your voice during calls. Look for the list of apps that are granted microphone access and ensure Slack is among those. If it isn't, simply toggle the switch to grant it permission. With that checked, go ahead and open your browser and navigate to the Slack website. This is important because certain browser settings can also interfere with microphone use. Clicking on the icon right next to the URL in your browser's address bar will open a menu. This icon often looks like a padlock or a small circle with an eye in the middle, depending on your browser. From this menu, access the site settings related to Slack. Here, you need to confirm that microphone access for Slack is enabled. You should see a section specifically for mic access. Ensure it's set to Allow. Sometimes, this setting can get accidentally changed, so it's always good to double check. Next, head back to Slack itself and click on your profile picture, usually located at the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Preferences. This will take you into Slack's settings where you can fine-tune various options to suit your needs. Within Preferences, click on the Audio and Video tab. This section is straightforward and precisely where you need to be if you're having any challenges with your microphone. Make sure that the correct microphone device is selected from the drop-down menu. It's not uncommon for devices to automatically select a different microphone, particularly if you've connected or used multiple audio devices. And there you have it. Following these steps should resolve any microphone issues you're facing with Slack. Remember to check each of these settings whenever you encounter problems, as these are the most common culprits. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If your mic is still not working, it might be worth checking the physical hardware for any issues or considering updating your device drivers. Until next time.